come to the one more class of uh, present perfect present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Then we will complete after whole past tense. So come to the point. Let us start now. The present perfect, the present perfect tense, जो perfect है, जो काम हो चुका है. Okay, commits a completed event or other with the present time. Completed जो टाइम जो काम हो चुका है, चुका चुके चुकी. As I told yesterday, my father taught me in that way. चुका चुके चुकी जिसमें रहा, that is present perfect tense. चुका है, चुकी है. वो खाना खा चुका है. He has completed his meal. Okay. In the same way, जो काम हो चुका है, subject plus have has plus be3 plus object. I have lived 20 years in Lucknow. That means मैं अभी भी रह रहा हूँ. What I said, completed event or other with the present time. Event तो complete हो चुका है अभी के time के हिसाब से. I have lived 20 years in Lucknow. I have passed the examination. I have passed the examination yet मतलब मैं अभी तक मैं pass हूँ examination. Okay. Now in the but बाबर has founded the Mughal dynasty. has यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, बाबर has founded, क्योंकि बाबर क्या है कि बाबर ऑलरेडी मर चुका है, तो बाबर has founded the Mughal dynasty नहीं होगा. बाबर तो है नहीं, बाबर had founded the Mughal dynasty हो सकता है क्योंकि बाबर अभी alive नहीं है. So ये गलत हो जाएगा because the state of thing arising out of the foundation of the empire by Babur was already passed away. empire भी जो उसने बनाया था वो भी खत्म हो चुका और बाबर भी खत्म हो चुका, तो यहाँ पे present perfect tense यूज नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे past perfect tense यूज होगा. Okay, since the present perfect denotes present time, it cannot be qualified an adverb or phrase during past time. Formula: subject plus has have plus be3 plus object in affirmative, negative subject plus has not have not plus be3 plus object. Okay. And in interrogative, has have plus subject plus be3 plus object. Have he done his? Has he done this work? Present perfect continuous, action which began in past and is still continuing. जो एक्शन शुरू हुआ और अभी भी चल रहा है, जो एक्शन शुरू हुआ और अभी भी चल रहा है, that comes under the present perfect continuous tense. That comes under the present perfect continuous tense. Just like he has been sleeping for 5 hours and is still sleeping. He has been sleeping for 5 hours and is still sleeping. That comes under the present perfect continuous tense, action which began in past and is still going on, where you have to use present perfect continuous tense. I have been doing this for several months. कुछ महीने पहले से स्टार्ट करके अभी भी चल रहा है, तो I have been doing this for several months. Subject plus has have plus been plus be4 plus object. The work which has been started in past time and is still going on, that comes under the present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Subject plus has have plus been plus be4 plus object. In negative, subject plus have has plus not plus been plus. I have not been doing this for 5 years. Okay. Now, simple past tense और past indefinite. सिंपल अब पास्ट पे आते हैं, मतलब भूतकाल, वो प्रेजेंट टेंस चल रहा था वर्तमान काल, अब आएंगे पास्ट टेंस मतलब भूतकाल पे. नाउ वी कंटिन्यू टू द पास्ट टेंस, दैट इज भूतकाल. ओके, सो सिंपल पास्ट और पास्ट इंडेफिनिट डिनोट्स एन एक्शन इन द पास्ट. वो उस एक्शन को डिनोट करता है जो पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुआ था. ओके, subject plus be2 plus object. He left office at 5:30 p.m. I ate, मैंने खाना खा लिया. Okay. He went, वो चला गया. He went to पटना, वो पटना चला गया. तो subject plus be2 plus object. अगर इसका निगेटिव होगा तो डिड नॉट लगेगा, सब्जेक्ट प्लस डिड नॉट प्लस V1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, अगर निगेटिव होगा तो डिड नॉट प्लस V1 लगेगा। आई डिड नॉट ईट माई लंच, मैंने अपना खाना नहीं खाया, आई डिड नॉट ईट माई लंच। ओके, वह उसने पढ़ाई नहीं किया, he did not read, okay, he did not read, उसने किताबें नहीं पढ़ी, he did not read his books, okay, but in interrogative, did plus V1, did plus subject plus V1 plus object, did I go to Patna, क्या मैं पटना गया था, did you go to Patna? Okay, the past continuous, the action began and continuing in the past time, जो past में शुरू हुआ और past में ही चलता रहा, जो past में ही शुरू हुआ the past continuous, जो past में ही शुरू हुआ और past में ही चलता रहा। Okay, she came into my room while I was studying, वह मेरे रूम में आई जब मैं पढ़ रहा था, past continuous, she came into my room while I was studying। Okay, he saw me as he was passing by yesterday। Okay, just simple thing, formula is am substituted by was, okay, and are is substituted by were, जिसके लिए is am यूज करते हैं वहां पे was लगा देंगे, और जिसके लिए are यूज करते हैं उसके लिए you were लगा देते हैं। सिंपल, I was eating, subject plus was were plus before plus object, before ing, as I told, मैं ये काम कर रहा था, I was doing this work, तुम वहां नहीं गए थे, तुम वहां नहीं जा रहे थे, you were not going there। okay, तो subject plus was were plus before plus object, I was eating, I was not eating। Now come to the past perfect tense, we have completed simple past or past indefinite, past continuous tense, now past perfect tense, the action had been completed before another was concerned, जो एक्शन हो चुका और दूसरा उससे जुड़ा हुआ है, जो कंप्लीट हो चुका और दूसरा एक्शन उससे जुड़ा हुआ है। He had been ill for 4 days when the doctor was sent for, वह 4 दिनों से बीमार था जब डॉक्टर को भेजा गया, that is past perfect। He had been, has been की जगह यहाँ पे had been लगेगा, have been, has been हम लोग प्रेजेंट टेंस में यूज करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे क्या लगेगा, have been, has been के बदले had been। okay, he had been ill for 4 days when the doctor was sent for, he had been seen many foreign cities before return to home, उसने बहुत सारे फॉरेन सिटीज को देखे अपने घर आने से पहले। तो एक्शन जो पहले हो चुका था और जो दूसरे एक्शन से वो कनेक्टेड है, दोनों पास्ट में हुआ पर one action is connected to the another, when you have to use past perfect tense, the formula is subject plus had been plus V3 plus object, subject plus had been plus V3 plus object। okay, now past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continue up to that time, जो certain point of time में start हुआ था और फिर एक certain point तक वो चलता रहा, that comes under the past perfect continuous tense, that comes under the past perfect continuous tense। at that time he had been writing a novel for 2 months, उस समय वो 2 महीने से नॉवेल लिख रहा था, at that time he had been writing a novel for 2 months। okay, now when Mr. Mukherjee came to school in 1985, Mr. Anand had already been teaching there for 5 years। when Mr. Mukherjee came to school in 1985, एक action, Mr. Anand was already been teaching there for 5 years। तो subject plus had been plus before plus object, दो action को जब contact करना हो दोनों past में ही हुई हो, in this दोनों पास्ट में ही हुई हो तो हम लोग वहां पे पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, मतलब जब कोई काम हो रहा हो और एक काम हो चुका हो पास्ट में, हो एक काम हो चुका था और दूसरा हो रहा था, देन यू हैव टू यूज पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. So we have completed present tense, the 4 kinds of present tense and 4 kinds of past tense. Tomorrow will be the class of future tense. Okay, so we will complete tomorrow future tense, then we will go further. Do your work, be serious, do your studies, because as I already told, practice makes a man perfect. This is your life that you have to write your future. Only you can understand yourself. Only you know how many potentials you have. Okay, no other can. Only you know about your potentials, your quality, your courage, your everything. So make your own parameter. Design your life, decide your life, design your way where you have to go, decide your destination, decide your path, think about the obstacles and try to cross out the obstacles. This is your life, because some adversities are opportunities for you, even not some. Take every adversity as an opportunity, as I took in my life. I took and I picked all the stones which have been or had been thrown on myself. Okay, and I made wall. The stones which had been thrown on myself, and I picked all the thrones and made the wall instead of being panicked. And I'm standing here, and I will try to make more walls, more and more and more and more walls, and one day definitely I will make a large palace or fortress of my thoughts. Thank you.